Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sync your Apple Music library across your devices. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Music. Find the Sync Library option and tap the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, your music library will begin syncing with your Apple account. Depending on the size of your library and your internet connection, this may take a few minutes. Now, let's do the same on your Mac. Open the Apple Music app. At the top of the screen, click Music, then choose Settings. If you are using an older version of macOS, select Preferences instead. In the Settings window, click the General tab. Check the box next to Sync Library, then click OK to save your changes. After enabling Sync Library on both devices, your music collection will automatically stay updated across all supported Apple devices that use the same Apple account. If your songs or playlists do not appear right away, make sure your device is connected to the internet and give the sync process a little time to finish. Thanks for watching.